Bald Rhino here. We're going to open up a box of Archives Baseball. The hobby boxes are still not available, so we're going to the retail, which is great. I've had some unbelievable hits. 2 autographs. One was a redemption. Had a blue Max Scherzer coin. I've had some purple parallels, all of which have been sold, but a few that weren't too bad. Also wanted to let you guys know I've been on eBay lately just bidding on some of these breaks. I did Topps Gold, and they're pretty fun. Pretty fun. You actually, I think the value is pretty good. I don't think the vintage breaks and stuff like that are of any value really, because it's just too, you get better off buying the packs yourself. But anyway, there's Mike Zunino, Josh, Scott Kingery, Didi Gregorius, Will Myers, Freddie Freeman, J.P. Crawford, and Robin Roberts. Yeah, those Dodgers, man. Cody Bellinger has awakened, which is a bummer for everybody that wants the Brewers to win and the low payroll. The payroll matters this time of year. I mean, look who's left, right? With the exception of the Brewers. All right. There's Witt. Tyler Wade. That's a good looking card. Stephen Piscotty. Anthony Rizzo. Mike Moustakas. Oh yeah. Southside Slammers. Barreo and Moncada. That's a nice card. Joe Morgan. And Chipper Jones. Oh, there we go. There's an Ohtani. That's nice. Probably, that's pretty well centered too. Going to be Rookie of the Year, I think. I think he is going to beat out Andahar. We'll see. Larry Doby. Carlos Correa. Early Win. Clint Frazier. And Scott McLennan. Or Alan McLennan. Alex Rodriguez. And John Gray, who should be in the minors. All right. Yeah, that, I'd like to pull a couple. I'm going to do one more pack and then do the coins. Mix it up a little bit here. I'd love to see some purple, but, oh, I might have gotten lucky. Yeah. We'll see. I've been watching some of these guys that open packs by the thousands, and they always look at the sides first. Nomar. Oh, we do have a purple, looks like here. Honus. Wagner. Tomas. We do have it. I hope it's a good one. Billy. Travis Arnaud. He's probably serving ice cream too. But that's 175. So there's one numbered card, not too bad. Ichiro, Daniel, Robinson Cano. All right, Travis. I don't know anything about him. For the first time, I think those Astros are a little shaky too. I don't know, we'll see. Wade Davis, speaking of shaky. Michael Conforto. Byron Buxton. Felix Hernandez. Oh my goodness, there's one I don't have. Pedro Martinez. Look at that sweet thing. I love those cards. That's his rookie card for those of you who don't know. Max Scherzer. Steven Matz. Salvador Perez. This has been a good blaster box here. Purple, numbered. I think you get a Sandlot card in every one, but I tell you, the Ohtani was nice, and so was that recent one. There's Chris Davis. That's a nice card. Joey. I don't know about you, but I always think if you're Joe, you're going to be Joe. Why would you want? And there's another Joey. Cole. Simmons. Ooh, Piazza. Turn back the clock. Another nice insert. Takes home NL Rookie of the Year honors. Nice. And Rhys Hoskins. And Dominic Smith. Boy, that's a fantastic pack, too. All right, last one. I was going to do the coins, wasn't I? That shows, boy, the old mind. We'll do the pack then, and we'll do the coins last. Jordan Hicks. Brian Anderson. Bam. Oh. That's a free box, my friends. I just sold one of these for $14, so there you go. Bam-o. Nice. Walker. Buehler. Okay. Phil Rizzuto. Oh, man, this is a fantastic pack. Look at this. Gleyber Torres and Miguel Andujar. Man, that's a good card, too. Monty Irvin. It's nice when you... That's what I love about these boxes. You can get some value out of them. I mean, I don't know how you guys feel, but that feels like a pretty free pack there in terms of value. Last but not least, let's bust these coins here. Give me an Ohtani. Oh, that's a great one. I can't... You know who this guy is. He's the one that kissed Peppercorn. There you go. That's a great one. Boy, I like that one. And then Buster Posey. Nice. All right. Hey, thanks for watching. Please comment, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe. Have a good night.